Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. It comes equipped with a 5.3-liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, Z71 package, Bridgestone all-terrain tires, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling cup holder storage at the bottom, equipped with a Bose speaker sound system. It'll come up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with a wood and chrome accent. And onto the seats here, you're going to have these leather heated seats with driver adjustable lumbar. Super nice. Left side you'll have your ventilation, and just below your drive mode selector, and as well as your lighting control. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. The black bow tie. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control with 2 paddle shifters right behind. And onto the odometer, as you can see, it's all digital. You can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, adaptive cruise, as well as you can access audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start. And onto the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, Google Assistant and Maps, as well as your front, rear, and 360-degree camera with mirror cams. And you got Amazon Alexa as well as My Chevrolet included. Below that will be your lane keep assist and park assist, as well as auto stop and hill descent control with the Z71 package. Just below, you're going to have the integrated brake controller right next to your dual zone climate control, 2 USB ports on the side. In the center console, you're going to have the brand new shifter, lots of extra storage, as well as a wireless charger pad, an AC ball port, and 2 more USB ports. Passenger side, same finish, but manually adjustable. The Z71 liners, you get the wood and chrome all the way across. The speakers and vents up top, some storage behind the infotainment here. And here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your power rear sliding window. So you get these blacked out 20-inch wheels on Bridgestone dual all-terrain tires. You get the Z71 badging with the black hood scoop, the black mirror caps, and door handles as well. You got the Trail Boss badging in the back with the black corner step bumper and the dual exhausts. As well as your trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under. Got the monotube shocks. As well as in the back here, with 2 LED lamps as well as an AC wall port, around 12 bed tie downs. It's a very spacious room. Moving on to the rear interior, we have more paneling and storage right next to the speaker. Power window with a wood and chrome accent. Up here. Lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side, with rear cup holders, rear ventilation, and USB ports, as well as we got cup holder and armrest right in the center. Storage behind the seats, as well as storage under, with lamps up top and handles on the side. All right, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss, equipped with a 5.3-liter V8 engine, as well as Z71 package, premium leather heated seating, Bridgestone all-terrain tires, adaptive cruise, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.